almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fight.
Kilometers still to go till Kajia. And it's a nice and sunny day today, fortunately.
Everyone, this is Meeta. Welcome to Urban Banzara. Guess where I am right now? I'm in San Diego Zoo. As you can see, a huge lion behind me. Can you see it? Look. I heard it's a beautiful zoo and I heard so much about it. So we decided to come today. It's a beautiful day. It's a little breezy and it's beautiful. We can walk. Hopefully we can walk. Hopefully we don't get too much tired. My son is checking my video, so thank you so much, Joy, for taking it.
Welcome.
Hello. Let me show you. Thank you. Stay tuned with me. As you can see, we are leaving the zoo now. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening. They're closing the zoo within 15 minutes. So I just wanted to show you that it's getting dark, but still sun is a little out there, but they want us to leave the zoo premises, so we're leaving soon. It was a beautiful journey today. We had a great time. I think I walked like around 8,000 steps, which is really good exercise. But I think it's time to go home and rest. So saying goodbye to you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Look at the beautiful housing, little complexes. They're not too high rises, they're just small apartment complexes. It's beautiful. And this park is for kids. I think it's called Centrum Park. So again, we are in San Diego, California. City of San Diego. I'm loving this place. Look at this. They have small office buildings here. I think mostly it's residential, and they're only like 3 or 4 floors up, so it's not that high. And there's a park in the middle, so kids can come and play here. They have a little kids park, and all this housing around the park is just absolutely gorgeous. They have balconies, and then they have rooftop for parties. We just went to a place called Park Social. As you can see, it's right across the street. They had brunch here. The food was awesome. It's not even expensive. We had wonderful breakfast come, lunch kind of brunch thing. And it was really nice. The food was really fresh and very good. So I just thought I would show you a little bit around this area. So I'll be back with more videos. I am in California. First time in California after living in USA more than 40 years. Good morning, everyone. I'm in San Diego Airport. We're waiting for our flight to San Francisco. The flight is at 10:30 in the morning. So right now it's kind of 9 o'clock, so we still have an hour and a half to go. As you can see, it's not that crowded here. I'm surprised to see that not too many people here. I am from New York City, so it's always packed. In New York City, there's always so many people. So anyway, looks nice and clean and not too many people, which is good. As you can see, a lot of places where people can have breakfast, coffee and tea. So my son and my husband, they went to get me some coffee, maybe some bagels, so we can have that before we board the plane, because it's only 1.5 hour journey, and we should be in San Francisco by I think by 12 o'clock. So.
Desert running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies. How to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. One of us will have to take a bow. Feeling you so close to me, we drive around.
Good morning, everyone. This is Mita. I'm in San Francisco. As you can see, we're standing in front of Holiday Inn. That's where we're staying for the last 3 days. We came yesterday. We're going to be leaving tomorrow for New York City. So today we are going to Alcatraz. Hopefully, I'll show you something nice over there. It used to be a prison. So let's see what happens. Okay? Bye. Good afternoon, everyone. We're leaving Alcatraz Island. As you can see, there is a boat here. We'll be taking this boat back to, to the where we started from, which is the Pier 33, and then hopefully we're going to be walking around there. It's all Bay Area. We're gonna have some lunch. As you can see, these are the prison cells where all the prisoners to stay. We actually went in. It was a wonderful experience. You have to see it, to see how the prisoners were here, how they were treated, what they did they do. I'm sure a lot of you have watched a movie called Escape from Alcatraz. So this movie is kind of taking it to the next level. Kind of scary, and also you get to find out how inmates are treated and what happened to their life when they come into a place like this. So it was a very interesting tour, I must say. And I'm glad I did it, because I always was wondering about their life, and today I get to see it with my own eyes. Hopefully I brought you something that you can think of. If you ever visit to San Francisco, please do make this one of your place to watch. Okay, I'll see you guys later. We're taking the ferry back where we started. Okay, bye-bye.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, 'cause I got no chance when it comes to her. got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough.